Hello viewers, welcome back to the Moose Mobile Auto Repair channel. Today I have this 2019 Toyota CHR, and it has the 2-liter 3ZR-FAE engine, and today I'm going to be doing the oil change service because the customer came to me and said they wanted to install the winter tires because of the storm coming on Tuesday, and I noted that the oil was extremely dirty and it was due. So I'm going to show you on how to do that today. Just to let you guys that this is the Valvematic engine. Just make sure you pull the dipstick out and you open up the oil cap before you drain the oil. So the first thing you need to do is to remove the 4 10mm bolts. Remove the service cover. And put that on the side. So the next thing you want to do is remove the oil filter. It doesn't really matter if you drain the oil first or if you remove the oil filter. You can do either or. So remove the oil filter. Make sure you have a drain pan ready. Also make sure that the old gasket is still on the filter and that it's not stuck onto the engine. And you want to loosen the drain plug. It's a 14 millimeter up here, and crack it open. Make sure you replace the drain gasket with the new one. It may be on the engine at times, so you'll have to use a slotted screwdriver to get rid of the old gasket. Once you are done draining the oil, use a slotted screwdriver, and you can use either a hammer or your fist to knock it out. There you go. And then just wipe down the surface here. Replace the drain gasket with the new one. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten to manufacturer's torque specifications, or just tighten snug. Once you are done with that, wipe down the housing where the oil filter goes. You want to lubricate the rubber gasket on the new oil filter. Before you install it onto the engine. Wash down the area with a brake cleaner. So now wipe down the filler neck area. Make sure there's no dirt. Install the funnel. Now I have some 0W20 synthetic oil. This engine takes approximately 4.2 liters. Remove the funnel and reinstall the oil cap. And if you need to, clean the filler neck again and clean the oil cap. Clean the area up. Now we are going to start the engine and let it run for maybe 15 to 30 seconds. And then we are going to check for oil leaks just to make sure. And then after we have the vehicle on the ground, we are going to check the oil level. Double check for oil leaks. Make sure there's no oil. And then you're all good to go. Reinstall the cover. If you want, you can lubricate the bolts with the grease or fluid film to prevent rust, so that these bolts will not get seized when you remove the service cover. So reinstall the service cover. So now I have this vehicle on the ground. I'm going to check the oil level now, just to make sure it's okay. You may need to add more oil if necessary. Just about 3/4 here. So I'm going to top up the oil level a tiny bit. So I'm going to top up the oil. It's best to check the level on level ground to get a more accurate reading. And after the vehicle has warmed up a little bit, because the oil expands. So we are at the full mark now. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and take care.